After I discovered this recipe, I just want to make French fries this way. For this recipe we will be cutting it into cubes. 400 grams of potato. Adding in a pan and putting water to cover. Cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, it's cooked. Now I will be separating it from the water and putting the potato in a bowl. Now we are going to mash this potato very well until it is pureed. And folks, you're already commenting to me. What city is watching us that I'll send a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. Now I'm going to pass this potato through a sieve that is to be really smashed. Like this. Add a teaspoon of salt. Grate 90 grams of mozzarella cheese. On the part of the finer grater, also put 90 grams of cornstarch. And we will mix very well with the spatula, and then with our hands. And today, I'm going to send a big hug to Sophia from Boston. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I'm going to cut some parsley now. But it's to taste. And also add oregano. Is also to taste. And we are doing very well. The oregano gives a super special touch. I like a lot. The dough will look like this. Now in a container with plastic wrap underneath, I will add our potato and spread it very well and then put another plastic film on top, like this. And I'm going to put it in the fridge for 15 minutes to make it chill. Removing a plastic wrap and cutting like that the potato, right. Now, in a frying pan, I'm going to add some oil and let it warm up. When it's hot enough, I'll add our potatoes. When I fry on one side, I'll flip it over to fry the other side. And when it's like this, just remove that our potatoes are ready. Our recipe was super delicious and very easy to make. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time.